This 2024 Gulf Stream Vista Cruiser 19 CSK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bradenton, FL 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Gulf Stream is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide-out, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.